Hello everyone, welcome back to Trains Are Great. In this video we are at the Redlands Model Railway Show in Cleveland. Redlands Model Railway Show. Model train show parking only. Well, they packaged this show in a way. Okay, there we go. That's the Cleveland Assembly Hall, which is where the show is being held. Anyway, there's the building itself. Getting to the entry. First thing that greets you. And I'm a very negative former. Two voters. As a former, this is what I like. Whoa. I'm gonna chase that train. Finally. Whoa! It's got two bogies.
Yeah. Very cool, right? It looks like two trains reversing
Yeah,
to each other.
exactly. I got one on the way. Yeah. Oh, yeah, the one I got is called Murder Amorous.
Right.
Now this is what will be the best on Trains Are Great. It's like a big one. Finally I have something proper to show on the YouTube channel. Oh yeah, we'll need a blow. I remember that. It takes quite some persuasion to work. Aha! Really nice. Oh, and is that actual chopping, synchronized chopping? No, it's not. maybe the Cleveland, Queensland model railway show is just as big as the one in Cleveland, Ohio. Whoa, this is like the Fairly. No wonder why you mentioned the double Fairly. Got the double engine design.
This is like the real world with the smoke.
Yeah, this is like I got back into the hobby again, but at another level. Ooh!
Sound
Maybe
fitted
top it up
logo.
with Redlands.
Uh-huh. This is like elektronomia at Stockholm. Do you remember Laurie at different railways and beautiful model railways?
Yeah.
Happiness Laurie. How about that? Not Larry, Laurie. This is what we want as foamers. Here on Trains Are Great, we do a lot of this, and this I'm planning to do more of these videos. So if you like them, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell and hit all to be notified about this. This show is like, whoa, I love this layout. This is one of the best. Oh, U-drive. The U-drive, man.
Oh, it's a U-drive.
No, there's a U-drive that way. Absolutely. And now we have this, I don't know what it is, maybe this, is it a castle class or something like that, something along those lines. No wonder why Train Guy 659 has all these views. This is amazing. I like this layout. It's like
some of them. You do all the fun, isn't it?
ooh. This is amazing, I love it, the Canadian layout. Oh, and I'm a big fan of this Canadian train YouTuber SMT Mainline. I'm sure you heard of him. Being displayed here.
That's who we are, maybe, huh?
Oh, Logan District Model Railway Club. You had a train show back in March. In October another one. That's awesome because I missed out on the train show in March. I didn't even know it was being held, and then I saw.
There you go, you can't say I haven't told you.
Aha, now I know exactly where it is and where to go. And when to go as well. And first of all, that train show I missed in March, I didn't know it even existed until I've seen a YouTube video by a YouTuber named Jam's Trains, a train spotter from the north side. So even further than me, because I'm from Ipswich.
Oh, okay.
So even further from that train show than me. And that's whose video I saw and how I discovered that train show. I just love watching long trains. It's just amazing.
I grew up riding them. My dad used to work on it.
Whoa, he used to work on trains.
Yeah, I got to work with it.
That's amazing. It's amazing. So, I guess you got this passion from your job,
Well, dad's job.
from Dad's job.
Yeah.
That's actually very interesting. Nowadays, there's not as much rail as there used to be back in the day. Nowhere near as much rail. In fact, there used to be a lot of towns out west even connected by rail. Rail used to be like the form of transit.
Yeah.
Nowadays it's the car. Train show is worth just that $2 that we spent to get in. But what do you think of that? That's definitely worth it, every penny. It was $4 for the both of us, but
Okay, well.
train here, it reminds me of not too long ago, only a few weeks ago, I was in Gatton and I was at the railway station and I saw a train that looked just like that. Ooh. Light rail. I like the light rail on this layout. Maintain this layout because this, my friends, is amazing. Whoa, man, that $2 that I spent getting into this show is absolutely worth every penny. Because you get this. I thought N scale was small, but there's too much to look at in one go with this layout. We'll come back. This one is different but not labeled.
Measurements, and you then have the black balls, like Tony Blue outside the garage, distributes himself to coffee trade. So now I'm working on the next phase. There is really an engine.
That's the one I'm going to go.
Yeah, that's this gentleman's here.
Yeah, it's really nice. Dorothea. This is the best job in the world. I can't wait till I monetize it. Yeah, really nice. Yeah, they also do midnight blue. I missed that. They actually exist today. Yeah. I think I recognize this layout. I think I saw it at Bowen Hills at the Brisbane Model Train Show. That's about it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I just hit 100 subscribers only a few days ago, which is amazing. Thank you so much for your support. Anyway, that's about it for today's video. This is Trains Are Great, signing out.